nothing else to play with, right?
Yeah, carrots here.
I already got carrots cooking.
For what?
Yeah, green beans. Okay, enough stuff. What are you doing now?
Because they want to turn it on, and so their minds are soft and lazy. Well, hey, hey, give them what they want. If lust and hate is the candy, if blood and love taste so sweet, then we give them what they want. So their eyes are going hazy, because they want to turn it on. So their minds are soft and lazy.
Okay. You got a marinated pork with a purple Peruvian potato that's been grilled with a strawberry glaze. There's roasted carrots and beets, stuffed jalapeno with cheddar cheese, sour cream and shrimp, a little pepper salsa, and a bed of spinach.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Enjoy it.
Laura just said, how'd you score this? I said, Laura?
Okay.
She knows people. I know people.
I regret, cause I'm never gonna come back home. Saturday night and the moon is out, I wanna head on over to the twist and shout. Find a two-step partner in a Cajun beat. When it lifts me up, I'm gonna find my feet. Out in the middle of a big dance floor, when I hear that fiddle, wanna beg for more. Wanna dance to a band from Louisiana tonight. Stew and a crawfish pie, a cold storm blowing into town tonight. Living on the Delta, it's quite sure they got hurricane parties every time it blows. Well, here up north, it's a cold, cold rain, and there ain't no cure for my blues today. Except when the paper says Beau Soleil is coming into town, baby, let's go down. Sunday soir, à la London Bridge, je vais m'aller à la Tour des Cris. Je vais danser les danses de Louisiane ce soir. Bring your papa, bring your sister too. They got lots of music, lots of room when they play you a waltz from a 1910. You're gonna feel a little bit young again. When you learn to dance with your rock and roll, you learn to swing with your do-say-do, but you learn to love at the fado-do when you hear a little Charlie Blanc.